Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Muhammad Riaz Minhas. I welcome you online video lectures class 10th subject mathematics. This is lecture number 6. Today our topic is radical equations. An equation involving expression under the radical sign is called a radical equation. यानी ऐसी इक्वेशन जिसमें अंडर रूट रेडिकल साइन इन्वॉल्व हो, ऐसी इक्वेशन को हम रेडिकल इक्वेशंस का नाम देते हैं। यहाँ हमारे पास 2 एग्जांपल्स हैं, अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स प्लस 1 एंड अंडर रूट एक्स माइनस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट एक्स माइनस 2 प्लस 1। ये दोनों रेडिकल इक्वेशंस हैं। Now we take an example of question number 2 from exercise 1.4. Under root x plus 3 is equals to 3x minus 1. Squaring both sides of this equation, we get x plus 3 is equals to 9x square minus 6x plus 1. We switch all the values from left side to right side of the equation. So 9x square minus 6x plus 1 minus x minus 3 is equals to 0. 9x square minus 7x minus 2 is equals to 0. On simplification, we will get a standard quadratic equation. By the method of mid breaking, we get two factors, 9x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equals to 0. So on solving the first factor, 9x plus 2 put is equals to 0, we will get the value of x minus 2 by 9. Or x minus 1 is also put is equals to 0, we will get x is equals to 1. ऐसी इक्वेशंस के लिए चेक फाइंड आउट करना ज़रूरी होता है। सो फॉर चेक we put the value of x minus 2 by 9 in the parent equation under root x plus 3 is equals to 3x minus 1. We put the value of x is equals to minus 2 by 9 in the parent equation and get under root minus 2 by 9 plus 3 is equals to 3 into minus 2 by 9 minus 1. On simplification, 3 cancel with 9, we will get minus 2 by 3 minus 1. On taking LCM of right side and solving by the method of LCM, we will get under root 25 by 9 is equals to minus 5 by 3. Taking square root of left side, solving the square root of left side, we will get 5 over 3 is equals to minus 5 over 3, which is not equal, which is not true. It means minus 2 by 9 is not the part of our solution. Now put x is equals to 1, then under root 1 plus 3 is equals to 3 into 1 minus 1. 3 plus 1 and taking square root, we will get 2. 3 ones are 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Now 2 is equals to, which is true. So solution set 1 and minus 2 by 9 is an extraneous root. Students, now we take question number 6 as an example. Under root x plus 1 plus under root x minus 2 is equals to under root x plus 6. Like as previous question, squaring both sides, we get, taking whole square of left side, we will get square of first value x plus 1 plus square of second value, square cancel with square root and we get x minus 2 twice plus 2 under root x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equals to, on taking square of right side value, we will get x plus 6. Now we switch the values x plus 1 and x minus 2 from left side to right side. We will get 2 under root x square minus x minus 2 is equals to x plus 6 minus x minus 1 minus x plus 2. On simplification, x cancel with minus x and we will get minus x 6 minus 1 plus 2 plus 7. So again squaring both sides, we get square of 2 4 inside the bracket, square cancel with square root, x square minus x minus 2 is equals to x square minus 14x plus 49. We switch the values x square minus 14x plus 49 from right side to left. So we will get 4x square minus 4x minus 8 minus x square plus 14x minus 49 is equals to 0. On simplification, we will get 4x square minus x square 3x square minus 4x plus 14x plus 10x minus 8 minus 49 minus 57. By using quadratic formula, the coefficient of x square is equals to 3, the coefficient of x is equals to b, and the constant c is equals to minus 57. So substitute the value of a, b, c in quadratic formula. On substitution these values and by further simplification, we will get first root x is equals to minus 19 by 3 and the second root x is equals to 3. Now for finding the check, we put these two values of x one by one in the parent equation. So check, put x is equals to minus 19 by 3 in the parent equation. We will get under root minus 19 by 3 plus 1 plus minus 19 by 3 minus 2 is equals to under root minus 19 by 3 plus 6. By using the method of LCM, we will get under root minus 16 by 3. Similarly, in the second term, by using the method of LCM, we will get under root minus 25 by 3 is equals to, on right hand side, by using method of LCM, we will get under root minus 1 by 3. Clearly, left hand side values are not equals to minus 1 by 3, mean which is not true. Now put the second value of x is equals to 3 in the parent equation. We will get under root 3 plus 1 plus under root 3 minus 2 is equals to 3 plus 6. Now look students, 3 plus 1 is equals to 4 under root 4 plus 3 minus 2 1 plus under root 1 is equals to right side value 3 plus 6 9 under root 9. Square root of 4 is 2 plus square root of 1 is 1 is equals to square root of 9 is 3. Now on adding 2 plus 1 we will get both sides are equal 3 plus 3. It means 3 is the solution set and minus 19 by 3 is an extraneous root. Students, question number 9, under root x square plus x plus 1 minus under root x square plus x minus 1 is equals to 1. This question is solved by substitution method. So first two terms x square plus x put is equals to y. Let x square plus x is equals to y. Substituting in the parent equation, we will get under root y plus 1 minus under root y minus 1 is equals to 1. Squaring both sides, we get square of the first term, square cancel with square root, we will get y plus 1 plus square of the second term, square cancel with square root, y minus 1 minus 2, no, the twice minus 2 under root y plus 1 into y minus 1 is equals to square of 1 is 1. Now 1 cancel with minus 1, y plus y 2y, we switch 2y from left to right side and get minus 2 under root y square minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 2y. Again squaring both sides, we get square of minus 2 is 4, square cancel with square root, we will get y square minus 1. So 4 into y square minus 1 is equals to, on taking square 1 minus 2 by using the formula a minus b whole square, we will get 1 minus 4y plus 4y square. Now switch all the terms from right side to left side. 4y square minus 4 minus 1 plus 4y minus 4y square is equals to 0. So 4y square cancel with minus 4y square. Now we get 4y minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. We get the value of y from this statement is 5 by 4. Now put y is equals to 5 by 4 in x square plus x is equals to y. जो वैल्यू हमने शुरू में सपोज की थी उसमें y की जगह y की वैल्यू 5 by 4 हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. We will get x square plus x is equals to 5 by 4. On simplification, we switch 5 by 4 from right side to left side and multiplying by 4, we will get a standard quadratic equation 4x square plus 4x minus 5. Again by using quadratic formula, the coefficient of x square equals to a, coefficient of x is equals to b, and the constant minus 5 is equal to c. So putting the value of a, b, c in the quadratic formula, we will get x is equals to minus 4 plus minus under root 4 square minus 4 into value of c minus 5 over 2 into value of a 4. On simplification of the quadratic formula, by using quadratic formula, we will get the final solution x is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 6 over 2. This is the solution set. ऐसी रेडिकल इक्वेशन जिसमें हम सपोजिशन करते हैं उसमें चेक फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द टाइम फॉर होमवर्क. Please practice all the remaining questions in neat notebooks. As you know, your notebooks will be checked when your school will reopen. अगर आपको इन क्वेश्चंस में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है वो आप जैसे ही स्कूल खोलेंगे दोबारा आप समझ सकते हैं. Okay students, good luck. Thank you very much.